In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make realistic AI 3D photo in the Google Gemini Windows app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to write a strong prompt and get a dramatic 3D style image with realistic materials, cinematic lighting, and that polished product ad feel. First, we'll focus on the heart of this process, the prompt. In Gemini, your prompt is the blueprint that tells the model what to build, how it should look, and the mood you want. Think of it as describing a photo shoot to a creative team. Include 4 essentials: your subject, the material or texture, the lighting and camera vibe, and the final aesthetic or style. If you're not sure which material to pick, you can let Gemini choose based on the brand or subject you provide. Here's a strong example you can use and adapt to your own project. Create a cinematic 3D logo for Google. Automatically assign a realistic texture: glass, fire, neon, chrome, liquid, ice, lava, wood, or cloud, based on the brand style. Use dramatic lighting, depth of field, and a soft glowing background. Style: product ad, reveal shot, cinematic tone, Ultra HD. Feel free to replace the subject with your own brand or object. If you want a specific texture, say it directly: chrome for a techie, premium feel, or glass for an elegant, luminous look. For a softer, dreamy result, emphasize soft glowing background and shallow depth of field. For something bold, add high contrast, hard rim light, or studio backlight. You can also nudge the camera language with phrases like macro lens, 3/4 angle, or centered hero shot. Once your prompt reads clearly and includes those visual cues, press enter. Gemini will interpret your description and render the image. Give it a moment. High detail outputs may take a bit longer. When the result appears, evaluate the materials, lighting, and sense of depth. If the texture feels off, go back to the prompt and specify it explicitly. If the lighting is too flat, add terms like dramatic spotlight, cinematic shadows, or volumetric haze. If the background competes with your subject, ask for a soft gradient or subtle bokeh. Small wording changes make a big visual difference, so iterate by refining the same prompt rather than starting from scratch. That's all there is to it. Write a focused, descriptive prompt, then press enter to generate. With a few quick refinements, you'll consistently get realistic 3D style images that look like premium product reveals.